What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a voiceover, obviously. So just bear with me. It is my first time, but as you can see, I created this gorgeous brown golden smoked out eye with some wings, and don't mind that wing on that side. I don't know what happened there. It's a little faded. I probably went over it with concealer. But now I'm jumping into my Kokie eyebrow kit, which I absolutely love. Right now I'm using, it's like this little wax thing just to keep like your eyebrows in place and also keep the powder in place also. And I just think it's the cutest little thing. And I think it works great as well too, just for like a very natural brow. I just had to show you that little drawer. I thought was so cute. You pull it out and there's like these tiny little tools inside. But of course I just decided to use my Morphe eyebrow brush, and very light-handed and hair-like strokes. I am just filling in any sparse areas in my brows. And most of my sparse areas are towards the end of my brows, as you can see there. And I did use the darkest shade inside of the little kit. Now I'm taking my spoolie again and I'm just blending the powder together. Now I'm going to clean up my eyebrows using the CoverGirl Undercover concealer, and I think that this concealer is so good for cleaning up your brows. And just like a flat concealer brush, any flat concealer brush will get the job done. Then I hop in with a more fluffy concealer brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend all of that out. Now I'm jumping in with my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer, and this stuff is so great. It really keeps your makeup in place. It also keeps your eyes from creasing, which I do have that issue a lot of the time. And affordable, great affordable eye primer. Now I'm jumping in with my Urban Decay Naked palette, which I freaking love. And I'm going to take that brown shade there and just use as a transition, and circular motions towards the outer corner of the eye, and then back and forth motions in the crease. Now I'm going to jump in with a little bit of a darker brown, and I'm going to focus that into the outer corner and into the crease as well. I'm going to take this brown pretty deep into the crease though. I'm going to focus it, as you can see there, right like into the crease. Like I'm stabbing my freaking eyeball. Yeah, just like that. And blend. Focusing it directly into the crease in the outer portion of my eye. Now I'm going to take this white shimmery shade and I'm going to place that under my brow. Perfect shade for highlighting your brow. And I did, as you can see in a minute, take it a little lower than I like. So I do realize that in a moment. Yeah, no. So then I take that transition shade. I didn't add any new product, what was on the brush, and I just kind of blended upward just to take that a little higher. Then I jumped in with this gorgeous shimmer, as you'll see. Stunning, absolutely stunning. And I just focus that towards pretty much the center of my eye. I do drag it a little bit towards the outer corner, but I do leave the inner corner completely blank. And as you'll see in a minute why, I do like to just kind of keep it lighter in the inner corner, and that's what I do here. So I just take like a lighter tan shade in a moment. But right now I'm just taking a little brush and just kind of keeping everything where I want it. And taking that brown again and just patting along that line that we created there with the shimmer, just to diffuse it so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going in, I didn't show you guys, I'm sorry. It's just a very light tan, almost kind of, it's the one like right next to the white, so it's like a off whitish tan color. I wish I showed you, but like I said, this is my first time doing like a voiceover, no talking, just doing the makeup, so bear with me. Now going in with the darkest brown shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna focus that directly in the outer V. I'm not gonna take it into the crease at all. This is just, I want to darken up that outer corner just for some dimension. And I'm yelling at my son right about now, so that's why you see my lips flapping. And circular motions, just kind of literally like making a V shape right there. Okay, jumped back into that transition shade once again. Okay, then I did my other eye and I did add on some wings off camera. Now I am using my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer and priming my face. Now I'm jumping in with my NARS Radiant Foundation, which I absolutely love. It's amazing. It is a bit pricey, but it is worth every single penny. And for coming from me, I'm a very cheap person, so coming from me, that says a lot. If you know me, you know. It's an incredible foundation. It truly is, especially if you have drier skin. This is just, I can't even. You'll see, it shows. Now I'm going in with my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just gonna pat the foundation into my skin. I don't ever skip this step. To me, this step is very vital. It just makes everything like flawless. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Peach, and I use this to color correct my dark circles under my eyes. This absolutely changed my makeup game when I found it. I've struggled with dark circles forever, and this just, it really helps tremendously. I love this stuff. I stand by that stuff. Now I'm jumping in with my Born This Way concealer, and this is also an amazing product. I love the Born This Way foundation as well, and it's just, the formulation is top notch for real. Love it. Especially for my under eyes, it's perfect. I don't have any issues with creasing or anything when I use this concealer. Now I'm just blending. Now I'm going in with my Mercier Setting powder. Once again, I'm sorry for not showing the camera. The next voiceover will be a lot better. I'm learning from my mistakes, and that's what I love about it. So now I'm just going to take a fluffy, clean brush and just dust away all that powder. Alrighty, so now I'm taking that powder brush once again, and I'm dipping into my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and it is the Set and Smooth powder for normal to dry skin. They do also have one for normal to oily skin, which I also have. I don't tend to use that one much because I'm very dry. Now this is my Morphe bronzer in the shade Icon, and I love this bronzer. Like, just watch, for real. It's so good. And for the summer, it just gives you, it brightens up my face so beautifully. And I'm just focusing that and like around the perimeter of my face, trying to chisel out those cheekbones as much as possible because my face has been getting rounder and rounder, and with this quarantine it is just like the roundest. So contour is a major step in my makeup routine. So I'm just chiseling away there. Now I'm jumping in with my my sponge again, and there's a little bit of translucent powder on it just to blend that bronzer so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going in with my blush, and I am using the Lovecraft Beauty palette. And I really, really, really enjoy that blush palette. I actually got it in an Ipsy. My god, my first Ipsy, I think it came in. Now for highlighter, oh my god, I didn't show any of these products, I suck. I'm using the MAC Hyper Real Glow palette, which is also a great palette. And I actually got it at TJ Maxx like on sale. It was like on clearance. And they sell it for $40 at Ulta, like right now, today, as we speak. So I think that it's an absolute steal, and I think it's been, I love it. Alrighty, so back in with that sponge just to blend everything. Now I'm going in with my Better Than Sex mascara, and I did decide at this point that I was not going to wear any false lashes because I just wanted to keep this look like just very natural and subtle and just like classy and beautiful. And I think that's the way it came out, like just like with the shirt and the pearls, like just the whole vibe. It just felt very soft and natural to me, and I think that I achieved that. Now I'm just adding some eyeliner, and now I'm going in with my oh my god, L'Oreal Paris lipstick. I'm not adding any lip liner or anything like that. Just like I said, keeping it very natural and subtle, and it's stunning, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I didn't screw up this voiceover too much. And if you did enjoy this, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next one. Bye.